Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can get your product into Walmart stores. Yes, selling online is great. I've done a lot of it over the years, whether it be eBay or other places, but being online is very difficult. You're one of thousands of competitors often, just like your product, and if it's not now, somebody will notice that you've made a successful product and launch competitors. It happens all the time in business. But for the opportunity to get inside Walmart or other big stores like Sam's Club, Target, and more can really be make it or break it for a lot of small companies. Because now you're one of just a few products inside a store instead of one of thousands of products online. But how do you get into a Walmart? How do you get into a Target, Best Buy, Sam's Club, and more? It can be very difficult. That can actually be one of the toughest parts of being a company. Hey, the design, the development, the manufacturing, that's pretty straightforward, right? But now I got to convince somebody, not even just the end customer, I got to convince the store to put my product inside their store. They have a limited amount of shelf space, and when they put your product there, it means some other product can't go there. So stores are very competitive to get into, especially big ones like Walmart. Getting into Walmart, even just on a regional basis, can be make it or break it for many companies. And it's highly sought after. Now Walmart is making it easier for U.S. companies that make products here in the United States to get their products into their stores, or at least to get Walmart's attention for the opportunity to do it with something they're calling Open Call. Now we're going to be breaking this all down because they are promising $350 billion of U.S. made products to be put into their stores this year. And they have an application for you to submit your company's products to be one of those. So we're going to break that all down. We're going to tell you how to do it, put a link to it down below, and more. But first, if you're new here, do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. And today we're helping you about Walmart. Tomorrow we'll break down all kinds of other topics and interesting things happening in the world. So let's break this all down and let you know what you need to know to get your products into Walmart. So Walmart's launching a new Open Call thing this year that this time will be virtual online only. With the pandemic and everything, they're going online calls for these meetings. But you have until the end of April 2021 to submit an application, I'll put a link to it down below, to enter your product into Walmart's Open Call system there. Now, this doesn't get you anything more than an opportunity to have a virtual meeting to sell your product to you. Walmart says that they are going to be holding virtual meetings with U.S. manufacturers to give them the opportunity to pitch them on putting their products into Walmarts and Sam's Clubs around the United States. Now, you got the opportunity to do a few things. Your product could be picked up for a regional rollout, maybe just in a handful of Walmarts or maybe a few hundred Walmarts, or even nationwide if they like your product a lot. Now, this is an opportunity that comes just once a year. So if you are watching this after this opportunity, don't worry. Hopefully they'll do the Open Call again next year. But Walmart says they are very committed to getting more U.S. manufacturers to put their products inside Walmart stores. And this is a huge opportunity for U.S. companies to not have to compete in the online world, which is great, it's fun, but it's very hard to get noticed to be one of those companies on the shelves. Now, to do this, Walmart's really looking for U.S. made products. So you may want to consider that when you're looking at if your product falls into it. I'm not sure how dedicated Walmart's really going to be. U.S. design, but manufactured overseas? How does that fall into it all? We'll have to see what Walmart does. But $350 billion worth of merchandise from U.S. companies is looking to be put into Walmart and Sam's Clubs to help them stand out. Now with this, again, getting in, even if you're selected, getting in is just kind of a trial basis. If your product does well, if you start off at a regional, maybe they'll expand you to national. If you start off national and it doesn't do well, maybe they'll shrink you to regional or just drop your product. As with all these, you need to remember that, once you're in the store, you still have to sell it. And a few big things to keep in mind. This is a big opportunity. I would highly encourage anybody who is applying to this and gets the interview this summer to really look at, doing your research on how to make a really good presentation, maybe get a consultant to help you with that presentation, because these opportunities don't come around often. Many companies will spend years begging and pleading, literally begging and pleading with companies like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Costco, and more to get their products in there. That can be the hardest part of selling a product, is just putting it somewhere where people will notice it. But so if you get this opportunity, I highly encourage you to take it very seriously. Not just tell them, yeah, I got this product, here's what it is, but why is it better? How can your manufacturing system benefit Walmart by giving them the supplies when they need it? That's a huge thing for Walmart. Can we get the quantities we need from you? And hey, are we cheaper? How so? Are we trying to sell a better quality at a reasonable price? How so? You got to really sell them on this. So keep that in mind. Really consider putting the effort into it. But to sign up, fill out the application in the comment down below. It takes you to Walmart's website. And then you got to wait. If you missed it this year in 2021, check back in the future because they'll probably be doing this again. Hopefully in person. I think in-person presentations work a lot better. At least for me. I think I come across better in person than I do online. I don't know. You let me know. But there you go. That's how Walmart is opening up their stores to bring in $350 billion of US products into their stores from small manufacturers, hopefully like the person watching this video. Well, there you go. That's the breakdown and everything you need to know. If you're new here, do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. And hopefully we can help you learn something new. We'll be back with another video real soon. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate it.